So karon padayon ta sa ikaduha nga example sa atong completing the square. So we're given x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So ang atong buhaton ani is katong unang step na to is ato ni siyang i-transpose to other side. So our equation now becomes something like this. Plus we need to solve for the third term equals the negative 5 become positive plus positive 5, then plus the third term. So alam natin na third term ito dito. Third term sana siya. So how to find the third term? Third term is just 1/2, no? Third term is just equal to 1/2 of the coefficient of the middle term. Ang middle term natin is 4. So 1/2 times 4, and then after that ato siyang i-square. Okay? So ang middle term na to is equal to 4. So ito pa 1/2 of that 4 is 2, then 2 square equal to 4. So muna atong third term. Okay, so ato na siyang i-substitute dito sa atong equation karon. So this is x squared minus 4x plus the third term, which is equal to 4, equal to 5 plus the third term, which is equal to 4. Then so kaibaw na ta nga perfect square na siya. Kining 4 na to, pwede man na to siya ma-rewrite as 2 squared. Diba? So, x squared minus x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared. Kanang 4 equal na siya 2 squared, then equal to 9. Okay? Then, perfect square naman na siya. So this is equal to x minus, yung base niya, x, then minus base dito, 2, then perfect square man siya, so squared na diha, equal to 9. So after that, just take square root on both sides. So x minus 2 squared equal to 9, and then when we take square root on both sides, so the right side na si ka value, plus and minus. Okay? So this becomes x minus 2 equal to plus and minus. Square root of 9 is 3. Then solving for x, transpose na to the other side, ang minus 2. So x is equal to plus and minus 3. Then that becomes plus 2. Okay? Then taking positive, taking plus, so to take the plus, meaning duha mo na siya ka part din plus and minus 3 na siya. So taking plus, pasabutan na ang una na tong x is equal to plus 3, then plus 2, or x equal to plus 5. No need to write the sign. Then taking minus, so taking minus so we have x equal to minus 3 plus 2, x equal to minus 1. So muna itong duha ka value for x. So muna siya nga itong value nga atong kung atong i-substitute dito sa given equation, ma-zero ni siya. So you can check that one. Kung ma-zero na siya, pasabot nga kanang imong mga value sa x, kanang when taking plus, ang x na to is equal to 5. When you take the negative, ang x equal to negative 1. Kung kining x equal to minus 1, i-substitute ni mo diri, ma-zero ganin yung left side. So ato pa ka na nga answer, sakto na. Nya kining x equal to 5, inig-substitute ni mo diri, ma-zero gihapon ni siya, sa ato pa sakto na imong answer. So ang imong conclusion na sa final answer nimo mingon ka therefore the roots are, or the zeros of the polynomials are, or the solution to the given quadratic equation are x equal to 5 and x equal to -1. So inana ang pag-answer. Okay? So I hope nasabtan ninyo. Daghang salamat.